Okay, I'll search for it. Oh, it's
There
not
is
my
me.
students.
Oh really? Oh, your
It's
students?
you?
Yeah.
Okay.
That is me.
Your private account.
Yeah. I made it private. And how about your account?
My account is public actually.
Public. So what
Yeah.
is the reason for that?
Because at the first time I want to be a content creator.
Oh really? I
Yeah.
didn't know about
But
that one.
yeah, the more the more here, the
Perhaps
more
you can
okay.
come here. Yeah.
But the more this time,
Yeah.
semakin kesini,
Yeah.
the more I'm lazy to create the content.
What kind of content you always post it?
Such as comedy content,
Comedy?
POV's content,
Oh.
such as this. You can see one of them. Actually, there are more videos that I've archived.
Wow. Yeah.
But I
It's in
only-
English content.
Yeah, it's
Comedy in English.
Yes.
Wow,
Yeah,
Miss
because
Naila.
I want my account reach out the foreigner.
Oh wow.
Yeah.
So what is your motivation for doing that?
Because I
Especially I highlight for you want your content to be reached out by the foreigner.
oh okay
What is the
yeah
motivation of it?
yeah because I want foreigner know me.
Ah.
Actually
Do you like for getting
because I want to be
friend?
seen. I
Oh,
want to
well.
be friends with more foreigners.
So I think it's not kind of the psychology side, but most of our people who here in Indonesia always say that I am introvert, I am extrovert, I am ambivert, and so on and so on. So do you think which one are you?
I don't know. Sometimes I feel I was introvert. Sometimes I feel I was extrovert.
Oh yeah. So because that why I ask it because you say that you like for getting know or perhaps the people know you. Now like the foreigner reach out your content, they will know about you. So that's why I ask you, do you like to be seen?
Oh yes.
Yeah.
At the time, I have the purpose like that.
Mhm.
I wanted to be seen by foreigner. I want them to comment my content like haha funny. I want them to be amused by my content. Yeah, I want them to laugh because of my content. Yeah, such as this. I can see this.
Are you talking to me?
Watching an English movie.
Do you know how much you make a year? I mean, even if I told you what and the business being out that it could.
I guess you understand the content.
Yeah.
Because
It's like murmuring. That's murmuring.
when we don't see the subtitles,
Yeah,
we
I get-
cannot hear what they're saying.
Yeah, I got a job.
Okay.
I got the point of the job.
Okay.
Wow, yeah. I think you have any side of the you're the funny one. Miss Daila, yeah. So what account is that? Is it still it's only for Instagram or YouTube or TikTok or whatever the social media.
It's
you
only
have?
on Instagram.
Instagram that you have
Actually,
TikTok perhaps.
Actually, I have TikTok also, but not really active there. I
Okay.
also have YouTube account, but not really active there.
Okay, so
So
you are so
I
active
choose
in
Instagram.
Uh-huh.
Such as this. I bet you got a job.
What's that?
Control X is cut, right?
Yeah.
I cut the onions by computer and then
How can you do that? Yeah. From where is it? The idea for doing that?
I know it from a meme.
A meme?
Yeah,
Do you
from
like
meme.
force? Do
Yeah.
you find it or just appear on your mind?
No.
basic for the idea for making any content?
Actually, it's inspired by a meme. Yeah, there's a meme that cut onion. Wait.
Hey, yeah, but it's very funny.
Yeah,
It's
when we
like,
understand the joke, yeah.
Oh yeah, I understood it.
Okay.
Yeah. Well, it's kind of the amazing, yeah, because that you entertain people.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Yeah, I think there are many. No, there are some comments like, oh, you
They have so many comments. You get
Yeah.
it? You got many comments.
I got a comment from a foreigner. She cut the onions. He said.
Well, so that's why that is your reason for making your account public, yeah.
Yeah, making
Ah.
the account of public.
Yeah, yeah, it's different. Like for me,
Oh,
I
really?
made it private.
Oh.
Sometimes I make it public, but sometimes I made it private. Yeah.
Okay.
Okay. Miss Naila, just come back to our main topic.
Okay.
That's right about the issue. Yeah, Miss
yes.
Naila. Do you want to go to Japan one day?
Yeah, of course.
Ah.
When I have money, of course, I want
Yeah.
to go there.
So that's my starting question. Yeah, and also if you go there, it's kind of still the starting question, yeah, for Miss Naila. If you go there, what will you do, and also in what place to be your dreaming place, and what kind of activity to be your dreaming activity when you are there in Japan?
Oh, okay. Yeah.
Do you have any? And the third one is, do you have any favorite city perhaps in your mind, because that you learn about Japan, right?
Yes.
Yeah, for visiting if you are there.
Yeah. Actually, there are some places that has been the interest. Such as the temple of Kinkakuji.
Okay.
Yeah, Kinkakuji is the temple that created from gold.
Okay, from
Yeah.
gold, from gold or God?
Gold.
Gold.
Yeah, king in Japanese is gold.
Well, okay, I got it.
And then I want to.
You are interested
Yes.
because they say that it made of gold.
Yeah.
Okay.
Yes. And then I want to Fushimi Inari Taisha. Itu
What kind of place is it?
that's holy places. Yeah, I think that's such a calm and relaxing places to go
Okay.
there.
It's kind of the village environment, or perhaps city environment, or what is that? Kind of the kingdom environment. How is the vibe?
The vibe is calming.
Calming?
Yes, calming. It's not really can be called the village. Yeah, because it's in the big city.
Big city.
Yeah.
What city is that, Miss Naila?
Oh, Fushimi Inari Taisha is. Oh my God, I forgot it.
You forgot it.
Fukuoka. or-
Fukuoka.
Maybe. But
Wow.
yeah, we have to cross check again.
Yeah. But it's kind of the, and there are a lot of history in Fukuoka, I think. Yeah, history of Japan there in Fukuoka.
Yeah, but yeah, I'm not really searching for it before.
Okay.
Still not searching for it.
Okay. So what else? Do you have another dreaming city for visiting there?
Kyoto is also such a beautiful city, I think. Yeah, Kyoto. Oh, I mean Osaka.
Osaka.
Yeah, there's
Okay.
a castle.
Yeah.
I forgot the name.
Yeah,
of
there's
castle.
castle or temple over there. It's kind of
Yeah.
the history also.
Yeah.
The city of the history of Japan.
Yes.
Do you know more about the history of Japan? Do you learn it when
Yeah.
you were learning it?
Yeah. When I was in college, I learned about the history of Japan, but
Yeah.
because of I don't read many books or don't read about Japan anymore. Yeah. So I still have no knowledge about Japan again for more information. Yeah.
especially for Osaka and also Kyoto, kind of
Kyoto.
my dreaming city also.
Oh yeah.
Yeah,
Okay.
I like it because I'm really addicted.
Oh, okay.
Yeah, of Conan.
Oh, yeah.
Everyone knows perhaps about that comic, right?
Yeah, that comic is
Yeah.
very very popular.
I'm
From 90s, right?
yeah, from 90s. I'm really curious about that one. Yeah, Ibu.
Akan pergi sebentar ya, kalau ada murid yang sebentar aja.
Okay, yeah.
15 menit Pak.
Yeah, okay, Bu. Sit. Wow, that's great. Yeah, Miss
Yeah.
Nai Nai. So that's why I want to ask you about the issue of the Japan, kind like their population. What happened with them actually? Have you ever known about that?
Yeah, because there are so many people who don't want to get married. Yeah, because when they get married, they think that marriage is, they think that marriage will prevent them to be progressive for career.
Mm.
Yeah, they prioritize career, search for more money. Yeah, because they think that marriage is complicated.
Okay,
Yeah.
yeah. So that's why they want to be in a relationship, yeah, especially for married, yeah,
Yes.
married life. Yeah. So, same like Korea, you know.
Yeah, Korea also lack of population,
Lack
but
of
but
population.
not as complicated like Japan.
And do you know, Miss Naila, there's any what is it? The newest activities or the newest issue happening, yeah, in Japan. What is that? There are, because of the lack of the population, especially for the younger people over there. So they are invited
Yeah.
another citizens, not not only from their neighbor country, but also like in India. Do you know it's
Yeah.
happening there?
Yeah,
the
yeah.
issue is happening in Japan. And for our information, Miss Nai, the Indian people came there
Yes.
in Japan,
Yes.
and they brought their own culture,
Yes.
like you know, Vrindavan,
Yeah.
and also there is a dance of them, and also the culture of the Indian. How do you think about that one, Miss Naila? Especially from the perspective of Japan, the Japan people. What is that? How do you think about it? Because that you dig their culture and you learn about their perspective, right? So that's why I asked it to you.
Yeah, actually, Japan is not wrong if they want to hire the worker from another country, but before the foreigner worker go to the Japan, I think Japan should be do more selection, do more psychology tests, and I think Japan should give the consequence.
Yeah, the consequence of the
for their
activity, yeah?
behavior.
Yeah. Oh wow.
Yeah.
So, do you think it is a mistake of the government? They didn't care. And at this time, at the time for their rules for many foreigners came to their country. How do you think about that one?
Yeah, I think as the worker to Japan, you have to understand about the Japanese culture first, like tertib gitu.
Yeah, it's kind of the discipline.
Discipline,
Yes.
Japan has discipline culture, clean, of course, and also making comfortable environment.
Yeah, and
in
also
Japan. But
they
the worker, they still adopt their bad behavior, bad habit from their own country until Japan.
yeah.
So as the worker, you have to understand.
Come in. Come here, brother ugly. Yeah.
have to understand about the Japanese culture first.
Mm-hmm. Miss Nai, I'm really sad, yeah, when I saw it. Brother Adli, perhaps you can join us. Yeah, especially in our conversation.
I was already there.
Ah,
I was
sorry.
already there.
Yeah. You can join with our conversation over here. I want to know your perspective about that. Miss Nai,
Yes.
actually, that I'm really sad for seeing their bad habit,
Yes.
for their bad behavior. For me, yeah, Japan kind of the good culture, very good culture, especially in Asia. If you wanna ask me about which one do you prefer, is it Japan or Korean? I prefer Japan, as I
Yeah.
said that before.
I choose Japan too.
I choose Japan. Why? Because they are so polite.
Yes.
The culture is very good, Brother Adli. Nah.
Yeah.
And also, their culture like polite, calm, quiet,
Yeah.
respect each other, respect
Yeah.
the privacy,
Yes.
Nah. And so many things that I really fan of Japan culture. So for seeing their bad behavior, yeah, especially for the foreigner come to Japan, do you know the issue?
What is it?
Like the Indian people come to Japan and they broke, the Japan culture.
Indian culture people
Yeah.
broke every Japanese culture.
Nah. So that's why I say that it's kind of bad habit, yeah. And I think it should be banned. I think
Yeah.
it should be banned for the government. It's not the solution
Yes.
for solving the problem of lacking of the generation
Yes.
of the Japanese people. Yeah, for inviting the foreigner like the Indian people or the country around them come into the Japan. But if it's only for breaking their cultures.
Yes.
That's it. Yeah, Miss Nai.
Yes.
Now, so what is another solution based on your mind? And also, Brother Albri, perhaps I ask you after Miss Naila answered.
Okay. I think the solution of this culture is, this problem is, the government should stretch the rules and regulation before hire them.
Yeah.
Yes, especially from Indonesian. Yeah, do you know that the issue from Indonesian people
What
in
is that?
Japan?
Yeah.
Yeah, an Indonesian person in Japan has killed a Japanese
Yeah.
person. Yeah,
Okay.
there is also information about that
Mhm.
too. So
They are lack of the skill, you mean?
yeah,
The Indonesian people who work there, they are lack of skill, or they are skilled.
the Indonesian people, the Indonesian person killed.
Oh, kill.
Yeah, kill.
Kill. Oh,
a
wow.
a person in Japan.
Oh,
Do
okay.
you know the PSHT?
Yeah, I know
Yeah,
it. It's
yeah.
kind of the what is it? The psychology disease. P.
Oh no, that's PTSD.
So what is that?
PSHT is
PSHD.
yeah is from is
What is it?
wait I don't know in English.
It's kind of martial
Oh
art.
yeah, martial arts.
Uh-huh.
Yeah, it's the martial arts group
Mm.
from Indonesia
Oh.
that
Oh,
destroy
I know it.
PSHD.
PHSD,
Yeah, PSHD.
Their cause.
Yeah.
Yeah, I know it.
Yeah.
Sehati itu ya, sehati.
It's
Yeah,
Masuk.
Nah.
setia hati.
Setia hati, yes. Their clothes is black and black.
Yeah, black and
Nah,
black.
Yeah.
Yeah, they
So what happened with that?
yeah they usually annoys the Japanese environment, such as making bad behavior in a train Yeah.
They did it.
And the train, Japanese people usually don't like noisiness.
Yeah, yeah,
They
yeah.
like quietness, but
Yeah,
but the
quiet.
SHT group people, they like making noisiness.
Why did they do that, right?
I don't know, maybe because they are feeling brothers and brothers.
Oh, I see.
Yeah, because they have the same citizen, Indonesian citizen. They feel like they are brothers.
Yeah, I got
So
it.
they feel like, wow, I have a brother here.
Yeah, we
then
are
I feel-
brotherhood.
Yeah, brotherhood. And then they start making the
The noisy one.
yes, the
Yeah.
messiness there.
Yeah, the messiness over there.
Yeah.
Yeah, Brother Adli. Have you got my question, Brother Adli? That is, how do you think about the lack of the generation in Japan right now? And also, they invited the citizen from their neighborhood or perhaps the other country to come to their country. And for example, the Indian people came there, and also they broke so many rules of the Japan cultures. How do you think about that one, Brother Adli? Do you have any point of view for that?
Well, in my opinion, to be honest,
Mhm.
based on Miss Nadia's opinion, not only Japanese government must strict the rules of entry of their country,
Mhm.
they must add some kind of consolations, like a psychology
Test.
test.
Psychology
Yeah,
test.
psychology test
Uh-huh.
should be
So if someone wanted to have a job or even a work there in Japan,
Mhm.
some of these former workers or even the owners
Mhm.
must have a psychology test of their own works.
Okay, that's psychology test, yeah. But how if the one of the what is it? We can say the one problem of them is their behavior. It's still related about psychology. They are healthy in their psyches, perhaps, but they are broken in their behavior.
So that means they must, how am I going to say that? For their physical
Yeah.
attention, I believe it's up to the foreigners to establish themselves to maintain their physics.
Mm-hmm. Okay. Yeah. What I mean is, by that psychology test, it's not relevant for their good attitude in that country, in Japan. Is it still okay for us?
Well, I think the psychology test is all I had to for the Japanese government to add it.
Yeah. So the point is, we still need the psychology test. As
Yeah.
Naina, yeah.
Yeah, and make the appointment between the workers and the institution. Yeah, institution
Yeah, the
that
company.
hire them
Yeah.
to work in Japan. Yeah, such as promises to not doing any bad behavior.
Yeah. Uh-huh.
And if they do that, they will get the punishment.
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 Yeah. Well, it's such a interesting topic for us, yeah, especially for sharing about Japan. Yeah, Adli? Yeah. Do you like Japan, Adli?
Absolutely.
Wow.
Really?
I always like
Uh-huh.
Japan's
Hey,
culture.
Bo, what is that, Bo?
Apalah namanya nih?
Ah, your clothes?
Yes.
It's wonderful.
Uh-huh.
I always
Very nice.
Japan's attitude, their cultures, anything. The kimono, I always wanted.
Oh, do you want
myself.
to use it?
No,
You
I,
wanna
I
wear
always
it?
wanted to buy one of the kimonos for my sister. She
Oh.
loves it.
Yeah,
Okay.
yeah, yeah.
You're a really good brother.
She loves kimono so much.
Mhm.
And that's how I started watching animes and novels about him.
Because of your sister?
No, not only my sister, because of myself too.
Oh.
Because of myself too.
One day perhaps we can talk in a longer time, yeah, especially for sharing about Japanese, about the other country, because it will develop our thinking, yeah, and also it's very nice for getting the such deep conversation.
Yes.
Yeah, Miss what do you think about the deep conversation? Do you like it or it's too hard? It's too difficult for us.
Yeah, I think it's okay. I think it's good for us, especially in practicing English.
Yeah, especially for
Yeah.
practicing English.
Yes.
Uh-huh.
And to enhancing our vocabulary,
Yeah.
our skills.
Yeah, Dave,
Yes.
do you like for getting the topic, especially for the culture, for the foreign country, not only in Indonesia, not only in Japan, but for over the world?
So why not both of them? I always wanted to ask about another topic like some other countries, like Japan or even Indonesia. I always
It's
wanted.
very good. Perhaps sometimes in one day, Miss Nay, we
Yeah.
can talk it together.
Yeah.
Yeah, with Adli, with Miss Naine, with me also. Yeah, for getting another topic relate about culture, relate about language, and also the other country.
Yes.
Ready?
Yeah, I hope we're getting the podcast like this.
Yeah, podcast. Yeah, we can say.
We'll add some podcasts
Yeah.
in the studio.
Oh,
Yes.
that's great. In the LAC, yeah. Bye guys. That's only our sharing for today. Bye. Thank you. You know, it is a half hour we have
Oh.
talked. Wow,
Oh,
it's very
almost.
great.
Oh.
Yeah, it's a half hour, I believe. Thank you.